Introducing the Caring Expressions SVG bundle from Dreaming Tree, the perfect solution for those heartfelt moments that deserve a special touch. Time is precious, but that doesn't mean quality has to suffer. With these designs, your cutting machine does all the hard work, leaving you with stunning results. Our thank you card features a handy slot for a gift card, making it more than just a card, but a thoughtful gift. And as a special bonus, we've included a beautiful box. Store your cards or use it to gift them. It's an elegant touch to a bundle designed with love and efficiency in mind. Each card goes together in less than 10 minutes. Custom-made cards packed with emotion and created in the blink of an eye. Because every moment matters, and now you have the perfect way to express it. Get yours today and let the cutting machine take care of the rest.